already have and love my Instant Pot, but I wanted a fryer. So I just got the Instant Pot Duo Crisp, an Instant Pot and fryer, and I am so excited about this piece. So let's unbox it together. It comes double boxed because we always think that's a lot of fun. And here it is, the best of both air frying and pressure cooking, a 9-in-1 multi-cooker. And they're not joking there. It really does everything. I use my Instant Pot for bone broth, rice, soups, so many meat dishes. And I've already started using the air fryer in this and had a lot of fun with fried chicken wings and frozen tater tots. I am so excited for what else I'll be doing, but let's keep going with this box opening. Comes with some fun little packaging to start. A free recipe. When you first get your Instant Pot, it can seem a little overwhelming, but just try some recipes and suddenly you will see how amazing it is. It has an excellent get started guide. They'll walk you through everything. And here are the pieces. So this is a hot plate to put the fryer lid on or anything that you need to put on it that's hot. And here's a stand that will hold your fryer up from the bottom of the pot when you are frying anything inside the Instant Pot. Stainless steel metal, very sturdy. Looks like a great piece I could use for other things as well. A silicone seal. I get a few of these in the end because I often will cook different goods and they will retain smell over time, so you usually will want a few silicone seals. Now let's pull open the box and get to the main pieces here. Up next is the fryer top. This thing is huge and amazing. So it has the heating coils right in there. It'll run and turn the Instant Pot into more of a convection oven. And then we have the main piece, the Instant Pot itself. Fantastic, there it is. A great piece. The lid itself twists off. It comes with another silicone seal, which, like I said, you really want more seals because you will use them for different ingredients. Like a savory and a sweet seal is probably a good way to start. And then we open up the pot and here is the frying insert. So this will go on that little metal fry stand I already pulled out. And it helps the food have the air go through it. So you put food loosely in there and fry it up. And then here's the main stainless steel insert. You will use this all the time, whether you're frying or cooking. Make sure you never go over that maximum line. That is very important. And then you have the main piece. It has gotten a little fancier than the last Instant Pot I had. It now has an air fry option, and now it actually has a start button. The original Instant Pot, you'd set the time and it would automatically go, whereas on this one, you do need to press the start button. And here is the lid. I got a silicone seal back in it. And this is the pressure release valve. I actually like that they put that little label in there because you do want to note that this comes out for easy cleaning. You twist that back and forth. That other bit is the part that locks the entire top on when it's at pressure to keep you and your family safe. And there you go. We've covered all the pieces that came in the box. I absolutely love this Instant Pot, and I know you will too.